Hello everybody and welcome back to WildlifeBox. So, have you ever wondered how to grow your own conker tree or horse chestnut tree? Well, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions of how to do it. Collect your conkers in the autumn. Open the green husks to get the seeds out, being careful as they can be spiky. Submerge conker seeds in water. Any that float are dead and won't grow, so use the ones that sink. Conkers need the cold to germinate, so you can encourage them to do this by putting them in the fridge over winter for 2 to 3 months. Or you can plant them in late autumn before the cold of winter sets in, so the chilling can happen naturally. If you keep them in the fridge over winter, you can plant them in the spring. When you plant them out, they need to be about 2 centimeters deep and should be planted individually in pots. Protect them from wildlife who may want to dig them up. Water them well and keep them in a sheltered spot. Then, in the spring, you should see them sprout. Water them regularly and repot them into larger pots as they grow bigger. And maybe one day it will look like this giant horse chestnut tree. Happy planting! If you enjoyed this video, please tap the like button and consider subscribing for more WildlifeBox updates. See you again soon. You take care now. Bye bye.